I'll just cut it.
What? This is mine.
We need all that oil in.
I've been running for like 10. Yeah, there's a lot in there still.
I'll just hose it down.
Ah, look at that delicious liquid pouring out.
That oil's hot.
Oh, it looks so milky. Wasn't it originally black?
Yeah, it was.
Oh, it's like a milky brown. That's nasty.
Yeah, I'll hose it off. Nice wash.
Ah, yummy oil.
Just wash it out of it.
Just pouring it into the oil plug.
No oil in it.
Wait, Linky, turn it
Oh.
on jet. Turn it on jet.
Ah, brilliant. Just use Oh, shit.
This is disgusting.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Go.
Come on. Spray it.
I am.
You need to spray it on.
Put water in the...
Yeah. More power. Come on, keep her going.
Is that it?
What?
Let's keep going.
It's still going.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, what was that?
It sounds fine. Oh my gosh. The gas is just steaming instantly.
It's getting hot now.
Good lord.
I don't think it, is there any compression left?
No,
Oh.
there's lots of compression.
Alright.
Oh my gosh. Alright, we're going back. Oh.
Rope broke.
The string's gone.
What?
Alright, so it seems that the rope has broken right here. Snapped right in half.
I'm gonna tie it.
We must now retie.
Lincoln,
Be right back.
The entire out in flames.
There's so much oil just chilling on the ground here. Oh, it doesn't even look like oil. Looks like milk.
Hose it down.
Chalky milk.
Come on. I'll pull. You pull.
Come on, please last one more.
I'm tired.
I'm gonna pull it.
Jeez.
I'm gonna pull it a couple times and then spray.
Holy crap.
Don't spray it. Don't spray it.
Literally.
No, don't spray it.
Good lord. Come on. Start.
Stop spraying.
Jackson, you need to hold down the front with your foot.
Hold down the front with your feet.
Alright. I'm coming.
Oh, you gotta spray a little bit. You gotta. Come on,
Here, you spray
You
it.
don't know how to spray. Buddy don't know how to spray. Okay, pour it a couple times so it starts. You start.
Wait, stand on it.
Wait, go. Go.
She'll
One
go.
last hard pull. Oh, it almost went.
Wait, Kai, keep standing on it.
Oh, it almost went.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Don't forget to get a good look on me, Lynn, eh?
Let's go. Here, Jackson, I'm gonna try pulling it.
It seized. It seized. I know. It seized right.
No, I can't seize yet.
We seized it.
Here, Jackson, stand.
Yes.
Don't die! Wow!
It seized. We seized it, Lincoln. No.
What if you put oil back in it?
Lincoln, now you want to take the head off?
Alright, it might be the end for this lawnmower. Just cooling it down, see if we can manually try and get it back going. It seems to have seized up though. It's seized up for now though. We've officially managed to unseize it. We had to take the piston cover off. We took the head off and we just managed to get it spinning
No, we're
again.
gonna use it for the inside.
Alright, test one. Retest one.
Take out the water. Pour it all out.
It's flooding. You attempt to start it and it just pours out of there. It's full of water. Alright, we gotta put the milk in.
We already put a lot of water in it. So.
Pour some milk in it, not a lot, just a little bit, and then we're gonna take it out.
Alright, pour the juices in.
Lincoln!
Oh!
Pour a bit more.
That stuff looks sickening.
Okay, that's good.
I drink that. $100 and 100 likes, I'll drink this. Test attempt 2. Go.
That back on.
No, go. You can't pull worth a crap.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh. I can hear it. Bro, it sounds like it's gonna start though. Test 3.
Hey, Jackson, hold your foot on.
Stop spraying gas.
Okay.
Come on.
Oh, it's on fire. You spray a bit in. You ready? This is gonna be it.
Oh my gosh! It got flame for a second.
Head, because I told you we should put the extra bolts on, but you guys won't on me.
It got flame for a second. Alright, we'll be right back once we get that sorted
Daddy,
out. Okay, come on.
We need more gas in there.
Where's the gas?
that's good, that's good.
Okay. This will be the one. Come on.
There it goes again.
Oh.
Why does it keep backfiring? I think it's
Damn.
no, because there's a bunch of grease inside of the onto the piston.
Here, go again.
We should put a bit more.
Okay. I just realized I don't know what kind of video this is at this point. We have tried to start it and we've tried to destroy it.
I'm just gonna put a bit in there and then hopefully.
I'll just Photoshop a giant flame behind it and then throw a thumbnail.
Okay, put a bit more.
Okay.
Come on, baby. What there?
What the? Oh, caught on fire! Lincoln!
It's all gas!
Get some water! Get the water!
Got it.
There we go. Why do you keep never caught on fire? No, you gotta pull.
Oh, I just held fire.
Okay, watch. Look, you gotta pull it hard, Lincoln.
Okay, you go.
Shush!
Pull it down.
Jackson, hold it down.
Don't spray any gas in. Don't spray any gas in.
Oh, yeah, I won't.
Damn, it's too slippery.
Wait, Lincoln, stop. This is it.
Come on.
Go, I just put more gas in.
Ready?
Yep.
Elliot, you want to switch spots? Want to swap, Elliot?
Just put a bunch in it.
Elliot, you want to swap?
No, I'll go.
All right.
No, I got it.
Okay. If this goes, God.
That is insane. Oh. Whoa. Come on.
Oh, I saw fire again. Whoa.
Oh.
Wait, I'm gonna move it forward. I think we should put the last head bolts on.
All right, yeah, maybe. Let's try that. Let's try that. Test number unknown. Oh.
Go.
Lincoln! Ah! It started again! Resurrection! Resurrection! We brought it back from the dead.
What the? Wow! This is so. He fell on the ground.
You're sliding over there. Come on. Yes! Come on.
Take
Now!
the oil back in. Take the oil out. Take the oil back out.
I think it deserves to live. It just
It has the will to live in it.
Ready, Lincoln, tip it.
He won.
It has the almighty will to live.
Tip it. I got it. Okay, tip it. Yeah. Keep a bit more.
How is this thing alive? It should be dead.
A bit more, Lincoln.
Yeah.
Bottle of my new toothpaste. Anyone want to buy it? Alright, come on. Come on. Use that last bit of life inside of you.
Can we pull it hard?
Elliot, are you going to do it or no?
You got it. It won't. Once it starts spraying. You gotta pull it a bit. You gotta put it closer. Put a bit in. Watch. There you go. And then you gotta.
You gotta rip it.
Yeah.
Damn. Maybe it does need a bit of oil.
Wait, no, I almost had it. Wait. Oh, it's gonna go.
It's completely empty on oil. It's got like little to no gas inside of it.
Why is it not going now? He's just
It might have died.
Crank it a few times, Link.
Me?
Yeah, help Elliot
It
out.
might have
Okay,
perished.
Elliot wasn't letting me. He said, okay, I'll do it.
Okay, go.
Oh, it's still alive. Never mind. This thing ain't dying. This thing ain't dying.
Oh, I think it's seized.
Bro, it ain't dying.
Never mind.
Bro, this thing will not die. Holy moly.
It sounds like crap. Whenever you.
Here, Elliot, I'll do gas.
Wait,
Here,
keep going.
Elliot, I can do gas.
Let's sit. Let's sit with a bunch of gas in it.
Pull it like fuck.
Is it gonna go? Is it gonna go?
It'll go.
Here, give me the gas. I'll
Can
do
you let it
gas.
sit for the last time?
What the hell's wrong with this thing?
Oh, is it gonna go again?
Here. Oh,
Put
go.
gas in.
No, just one more time. Pull it one more time.
Life was shortly brought back to it. Might still have life.
Here's life.
Come on.
Right there's where all the action's been going on.
Look, you can see it seeping through the.
Oh my gosh.
Put gas in.
Try putting it in the exhaust.
What's that gonna do?
I don't know. Maybe it'll absorb some through the exhaust through the osmosis.
Want me to pull? Here, are you just tiring? Yeah. It's hard to pull now.
Here, you guys want me to do it?
Can you step on the front end?
Yeah, I'll do it.
It's hard to pull now.
Yeah, there's no oil in the pistons. It's complete friction.
Oh. Damn.
That's why it's not.
Don't spray all at once. Spray a little bit at first. Let it drop in.
I'll start it.
Yeah, what's that?
Oh, damn.
Why did you grab it?
What?
I said. Oh my god. Once it starts, grab that.
Oh, that was close. This thing may not die. It may be immortal. Okay, let's go.
I need to move it forward a bit.
Besides,
Yeah, move it forward so that we have some room. No, that Elliot, move it forward.
Ellie, you don't spray gas in it when I'm pulling it. I spray gas in it.
Wait, don't spray anymore. No, because it's gonna. Then it's just too much.
Oh, that might be the final tie unless someone else is able to tie it this time.
Man.
It doesn't even run rough. It just doesn't run. Hey,
Thank you.
say goodbye.
Hey Jackson. Next.
Salute it off, my good sir. Salute it off. Lincoln, salute it off.
Throw a match.
Lincoln, salute it off.
Someone to count.
No one's gonna salute it off. Elliot, salute it off.
Oh.
Truly.
Use your hand.
Oh, shoot.
Go. One more time.
Hang on.
This is it. No, you should have went.
Go!
You almost went. Keep going.
I can't get a good grip.
Come on! Come on, weakling. What the hell?
What is happening?
Just goes. Nothing.
When it set on fire?
Quick evidence so that you know it actually was after it burnt when we just started. Elliot, move your hands.
The thing was actually on
Elliot, show the end of it. It's all burnt up. That was after we burnt it. This thing is immortal.